Hey guys, I'm detailing my Titan. I want to try out a few different products here on this plastic trim. Starting to fade. There's quite a bit of plastic trim on this truck. The bumper, rear bumper, the tailgate cap, the bed caps, the fender flares, the mirrors, the door handles, and I just want to make them look a little bit better. Probably the cowl on the hood is the worst under the windshield wipers. Everything's cleaned. I've waxed the paint already. I'm going to apply some stuff to the rest of the plastic now, and we're going to test out a cleaning wax, Ultimate Black Restorer, and a liquid wax on the tailgate cap, and see how they look, and then we'll come back in a month and compare them. So I'm going to use separate applicators and separate microfiber towers to buff them off afterwards. They all need to be applied and then wiped off. And we'll start with the fast wax on the left here. It's a cleaning wax, works really well. I've used that on my trim for years, and it's really good to clean it off and shine it up a little bit. So with the fast wax, you can spray it on or apply it to a towel and wipe it off, but I'm just going to spray a little bit on like that. Then you're supposed to, first towel cleans it, wipes it off. Second towel, you're supposed to buff it, make it shiny, and you can see it looks better than the original. Second, Meguiar's Ultimate Black Restorer. Put some on an applicator, apply it to the surface, and then with your microfiber towel, wipe off the excess. That one looks a little bit darker. So the real test will be how they last. Third one, liquid wax. This is what I'm using on my paint. So I've got on the rest of the truck. It would be handy if I could put this on the trim as well. Okay. It's applied. On this stuff, you don't have to let it dry. You can wipe it off right away. And give it just a few seconds there. Alright. See, as this one's dried, it's kind of faded already. This one's nice and black. They're all slippery. We'll come back later and check them out. I wanted to give you guys a peek of what they look like after a couple hours in the sun. Two of them are already started to fade. I did go ahead and do the rest of the truck with the Meguiar's Back to Black. This is the Meguiar's Back to Black here. This one not doing so well compared to the other two. This was the fast wax and this was the Meguiar's wax. But if we compare to the original, the fast wax actually improved the look. Alright, here we are a few weeks later, and we can see the difference. I ended up doing the rest of the truck with the Meguiar's Ultimate Black. This side, I believe this was the fast wax, and somewhere here was original as well, and then Meguiar's Ultimate Black in the middle. Original, and this was the Meguiar's wax, and this was original, and then this is Meguiar's Ultimate Black. So you can see they all look pretty much the same except for the Meguiar's Ultimate Black, which is by far the best of this test. Truck's been through a whole lot of rain. I haven't done an actual wash, but it's holding up fairly well.